So today we're gonna cook Vietnam Pho. It's a Vietnamese soup dish and considered the national dish of Vietnam. So let's go. What we're gonna do first is a pot with water. We'll bring it up to a boil. Once it's boiling, we put in our beef bones. These beef bones have a bit of meat in it. We'll let this boil for 5 to 10 minutes, and the reason for this is to remove all the gunk or the scum. So it has been 10 minutes, and the reason why we do this is to remove the impurities. As you can see, there's scum. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get each bone and put it in cold water. We'll then throw away the liquid here. Throw away this because we don't need it. So the pot is clean. We'll put back our bones. For aroma, we're gonna try these ingredients. So onions, Star Anise, cinnamon bark, some ginger. So once you tried them, you put it all in the pot. We're gonna add water, clean water. And we boil it again. We'll also add spring onions. It's been 2 hours and we're gonna remove the meat and strain the broth. So we'll put in our sugar, put in our salt, put in some fish sauce. So little bit. So we're gonna use flat noodles. We're gonna soak it in water. After the flat noodles are soaked, we'll put it in boiling water. Then cut off some beef. put in our green onions. White onion. Then we put in bean sprouts. Then we add in the broth. There we have our Vietnamese Pho.